Hello students, now we are going to start with a logic gate. We have studied previously in PVT about Boolean laws. Okay, so revise it and now we are going to make a logic gates with the help of laws. Okay, now see what is first logic gate. Logic gate, as we all know, that is an integrated circuit, okay, which is used to perform logical operations or Boolean functions. It requires two or more input signals but provides only one output signal based on certain logical operations. In logic gate, the students, a circuit is made, okay, the circuit is made to perform some logical operations. How we are going to solve it, or with the help of Boolean functions. In this we required two or more input signals, but the output comes only in one signals. Okay, first for that we are going to study about some fundamental, or we can say in another word, some basic logic gates. There are three types of fundamental logic gates: NOT, AND, OR. Okay, a logic gate which is independent and is termed as fundamental or basic logic gate means this logic gate is independent upon its own. Okay, it is designed with the help of two or more basic gates. Now there are three fundamental logic gates. First one we are going to study is NOT gate. What is NOT gate? In NOT gate, students, we use a single input. See how it has been done, and please pay attention towards the sign, that how NOT is made. A logic gate which uses only one input signal and provide a single output which is complement of the input signal. See, it is a complement of a input signals A naught, and this is the sign for your NOT. Okay, this gate contradicts the definition of the logic gate, hence it is an exception of the logic gate. NOT gate we can also call it as an inverter because it inverts our input signals. Okay, see with the help of diagram how it has been made. This is a symbol of NOT gate and it has been shown with the help of truth table. Okay, so pay attention here. Now as second is OR gate. This is the sign of your OR gate. Pay attention towards the sign. In this sign gate we need two or more input signals. It can't be done in as one single input signals. Need two input signals, but almost always it results in a one output signals. Okay, see how, as you all know, you all have studied about the OR, which is the sum of all input signals is termed as OR gate. In this system, how it has been done, say A, B, and here this is the sign of your OR signals, and A plus B. So this is your output. See how it has been done. This is example of two variable, okay, two input signals, and this is example of your three input signals. In this, see, only one output has come, and this is the symbol of your OR gate. Now AND gate. As I have told you, there are three fundamentals logic gate. First is NOT, then OR gate, and last one is your AND gate. Okay, AND gate produces single output from two input signals or two or more than, which is product of our input signals. You all know about the AND is a product. In this case, the output is 1 when all the input signals are 1, otherwise the output is 0. This is the sign of your, you can say it as just like a D. Okay, this is a symbol of your AND signals. Two input signals are there, A and B, and here one output has been shown. Okay, see, this is the truth table of your. Now there is another example of three input signals A, B, C, and here is the output truth table of it. So go through it, how it has been made. Three input signals are there and one output is there. This is your AND gate. Now derived logic gate. What is derived logic gate? When The gates are meant with the help of combination of two or more gates, means with the help of and or not and or and or not and or and not, then it means it is a derived logic gate. We can say that it is a combination of two or more fundamental gates. Such gates are referred as derived logic gates. These gates also use two or more than two input signals but produce a single output based upon the certain local operations. See here how it has been done. Here it is a NOT gate, here it is your OR gate, here it is your AND gate, and it has been drawn and we have got derived logic gate and a single output. Okay, see there are four derived logic gates that are discussed below. First is your NOR gate. What is NOR? NOR means NOT plus OR, in which OR gate is used and NOT gate is used. How you can do this? See, in this A, B, this is your OR gate and it has been used with the NOT. See, and you can, there are two examples of this. You can draw NOR gate like this also and like this also. This we can say that this gate is a combination of OR and NOT gates in such a way that NOT gate is connected at the output of an OR gate. Okay, means or pay attention here, beta. Okay, students, NOR gate OR gate is connected with the NOT gate. Okay, it receives two or more than two input signals but results only one output signals. Okay, we can also say that we can say that it is a complement of OR gate or inverted OR gate. See here the example has been given of logic, how logic gate has been drawn, and this is your truth table. Now NAND gate. See NAND gate, what is NAND gate? NAND is and NOT gate. In this system, a NOT gate is applied at the output of an AND gate. It is applied at the output of an AND gate. It receives two or more than two input signals but results in only one output signal, which is a complement of product of all input signals. See how the NAND gate has been drawn. This is your two input signals and how it is. Here is example. Okay, the NAND gate can be made like this also, and we can draw it like this also. Okay, here is the truth table of your NAND gate. So draw it. First write the truth table and then draw the logic gates. Okay, students, I am going to send a PDF of this PPT. I want all the gates, all the theory of the gates, and all the gates should be drawn in your class registers neatly. Whenever the school is going to reopen, I am going to check your registers.